Hello friends, welcome my channel. Today for job opening for Tamil Nadu vacancy. Our company name for Dana automobile sector for opening for CNC operator. Okay, fresher and experience. We can apply on roll job or directly recruitment. Okay, education so one by one. Roles and responsibility. The candidate will have to work in shift under the machine operator like CNC machine. It an on-roll job after the year. Okay, CNC to using for 3 axis and 4 axis. The skill requirement, salary for depending on your skill. Okay, location Tamil Nadu for Sriperumbudur. Experience 0 to 1 year for experience for the operator for in CNC. Qualification diploma in mechanical engineering, BE, BTech, and for in tool and die for any other. Okay. Contact the HR number. Monday to Friday, contact the number. Saturday, Sunday for send your resume only. Please share your update and resume with below the detail for email. Okay, address below the for comment box. Thank you.